Okay, we're finished with the first part of the detailing process of the vehicle. So we've taken the obvious dirt away with a thorough wash and also the wheel well detailing as well as the alloy wheel detailing. We're going to start with the next part of the process, which is paint correction. We're going to start that off with masking and claying of the body of the car. Then comes the paint correction, followed up by pre-coat, which is our IPA. And finally, we're going to do the application of the coating. So stay tuned. We've already clayed down the vehicle, we've already washed it thoroughly, we've already corrected the paint, we've run through our steps of paint correction. It's time to pre-coat the car and start with the techno. Let's get started. What we're doing now is we are applying pre-coat to the vehicle. Pre-coat is our natural version of the IPA, isopropyl alcohol. This creates a degreasing effect and it helps the coating to bond better with the clear coat, and it takes care of the residues. It eliminates any residue that might have been left on the vehicle from the polishing and the cleaning, and creates a good base for the coating to bond. So this is day 3 and we're done with the car. We've cleaned it, washed it, detailed it, and applied a good amount of ceramic coating to protect the car paint. We've also detailed the logos, and we're quite satisfied with the car. We'll take you for a walk around after we're out in the open, out in the sun. Thank you for tuning in. like more tips and tricks on how to detail your car, stay tuned and hit the subscribe button for more.